Today's video is about a freelance platform. If you are planning to start working as a freelance market researcher, this video is for you. So if you're already a market research analyst, this could be a great platform for you. Companies use this platform to hire the best freelance market researcher. The platform's name is YunoJuno. Agencies, startups, and businesses use this platform to hire market research freelancers. So if you're a market research freelancer, you can click here, and here is about the platform. Get paid on time and work with the best clients. So you can connect effortlessly with leading global brands and enjoy the perks of guaranteed payment, a fee-free service, and complete control over your rates. So you can join the platform as a freelancer, as a freelance market research analyst. And here is like guaranteed payment terms. So here the platform has mentioned that you don't have to get frustrated about waiting for payments and constantly nudging clients to pay you. So here this is the platform has automated payments and you will be paid faster, allowing you to focus on what you do best. So here you will not be required to chase your client and ask for payments. And here the platform offers you the opportunity to manage all of your clients, bookings, and timesheets in one place. You can chat to your clients. You can chat to clients and negotiate rates and booking. You can get paid on time all the time with bookings paid on guaranteed terms. And here you will be having full visibility and transparency of payment timeline. So you can join as a freelancer. Now here is about compliance headaches removed. Navigating complex compliance requirements can be stressful for freelancers. So here, YunoJuno handles your global compliance. Here, the platform offers you the opportunity to work with the brands all over the world. And so regardless of your geographic location, you can approach the brands through this platform and start working for them. You can get the research projects from the clients and then start working. Now here, guided independent contractor onboarding to collect correct documentation, clear worker classification at the beginning of each contract to ensure you're working compliantly, and full audit trail for transparency and easy access to your records. So here you don't have to worry about any kind of like compliance related issues. Yeah, you will be sorted because the platform is working for you. Now, here there are many freelance platforms that charge around like up to 20% of your earnings across all contracts. Here, YunoJuno offers freelancers a fee-free experience. So here you're not required to pay any kind of fee for like platform access. And here with us, you can take full advantage of the platform without it costing you a penny. So here you're not required to pay anything to the platform. You will receive 100% of the paid amount from the client. Now, how the freelance marketplace work? First, you will be required to create your own freelance profile at YunoJuno, and here. So while creating your platform, you will be required to highlight your skills and work experience. This will be a chance to create a profile that attracts client. Now, accept or apply for a project brief. So you will be getting automatically matched with the projects that fit your work experience, or you can apply for public briefs in your discipline. The platform will be matching you with the projects as per your skills and experience. And you can also check out the platform and get the project details and accordingly apply for that particular project. Here you can do the work, get paid on time. So if you are planning to work as a freelance market research analyst, here's the one platform that you can join and start working. Take your freelance journey to the next level. So if you wish to join, and you can apply from here, and you will be required to fill up all the details. I'm conducting a 5-day live workshop on market size estimation. So if you are already a market research analyst, you must be aware of the importance of estimating market size. So this could be a great opportunity for you, and the seats are very limited. If you want to grow your career in market research, this could be a great opportunity for you to learn how to estimate market size, calculate CAGR, and do all the like forecasting. So this is going to be a 30 to 40 minutes live Zoom sessions for 5 days. Okay, here you will be getting live mentorship. Here you will be getting live mentorship, and there will be no recordings, just real-time learning and mentorship. My 14 years of experience in research. Here are all the details. You can check out the details on my channel in community post. I will be providing the link to this workshop details. Now here You can see all the details, and if you wish to register, you can just write an email or WhatsApp at this number. So no matter if you are a student, a housewife with a career gap, a freelancer, an analyst, or a job seeker, don't delay. This could be a great opportunity for you to work as a freelance market research analyst. So go ahead and check out all the details. Thank you for listening.